Good morning, everyone. I am your teacher Shelly Palta from California Public School. Hope so you all are fine. Stay at home, stay healthy. So today we are going to do our next letter from cursive writing book. So it is K and the phonic sound of K is K. Before start of formation of this letter, let's revise few words related to K and K sound like kid, kite, kitten, kangaroo, etc. So now let's do holo pattern. So take a crayon and do coloring in holo pattern. The formation of K little bit is similar with letter H. As yesterday you did in H, you were going back. In same way you will go back. Now its formation is getting changed. You will make curve like this and come back like this. Once again go up, come back in standing line. Now go back in same direction, make curve, touch over here. Now stop. Now take a pencil and do go up, stop here. Once again go up, come down. Now go back in same and make curve, touch over here. Again go up, come down, again go like this, stop like this, up, come down like this, stop. Again go up, come down, go back, make curve like this. Again go back, curve, stop. Now make curve like this. Down, go back, curve, stop here. Now do like this. Now from here you will go up. Now make like L. Now you will go back, stop here, make round like this. Now after getting stop here you will make curve like this. Again stop. Now joining of K is like this, go back, stop, again up, go back, stop. Stop. No, it's stop. In same way you will go up, come down, go back, make curve. Now make slant like this. Now joining of 3K in same way like this, go up, come down, go back, curve. Now slant like this. Again in same way, stop. Once again up, come down, go back, make curve like this. Once again come down, go back, stop, curve, again stop here, do like this. Again come down, make curve, slant, go up, come down, go back, make curve. Now make slant, go up, come down, go back, make curve, make slant. So hope so that you understood that how you have to do this page. So bye bye everyone.